it's Eugenia. Oh my gosh, so it's so weird today. I don't know if you guys can tell in my windows, but it's actually like raining in LA, which is like really different for here. I haven't actually been outside yet, but that's like the one not great thing is I feel like it's probably gonna be freezing, but other than that, I kind of like it. I don't know, because it like never does that here. So today, I'm gonna be doing a makeup video. The other day, actually in the mail, I got a package in the mail, and then literally like right after I got another package, Colourpop was nice enough to send me a bunch of makeup, which I was actually really shocked by how much makeup they sent me, and that was so sweet. So thank you so much to them. Like I really appreciate that so much. I'm so excited to try it. Like the Frozen palettes that I tried in another recent video by them recently, I thought they were so pretty, and I loved Frozen too, so I'm like, now I love them even more. So this was, I think this is called Dream Big. I'm sorry if I'm wrong on that, but I am so excited to try these. Oh my gosh, because it's like a rainbow. So there's literally like a palette. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a palette for literally every color. And then they sent me also, I think this is their newest one, and it's called the Good as Gold palette. I love the butterfly packaging, that's so pretty. A lot of like golden and darker shades, I guess, so it looks really pretty and cool. They sent me a bunch of eyelashes, which these look awesome. So they sent me some lipsticks, and they actually sent me lip liners with this too, which is great. Because honestly, like right now, guys, I don't have like any lip liners. So I was like, yay. And this looks like a really pretty color. It is Minuteman, and this is also, kind of goes with this, is a Simon Says. Kind of like this brownie, kind of like nude shade. Excited to try it. So they also sent me a red lipstick. It's $1 Million Baby and Hot Cupcakes lip pencil. And this looks like a super pretty red. You can see, like, hopefully you guys can see that, but it looks really pretty. So there you go. It looks so cool. And then they also sent me these liners. They're like liquid liners. It's metallic liquid liner. They're in Bronze Touch, which is like a bronze color. And then this one is Gold Rush. And these look really cool. They look like really glittery and sparkly, which I love glitter and sparkles and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to try these. And they sent me the Midnight Masquerade, which I think I might use this today actually, because I'm gonna be going to Disneyland today. These look super pretty. It looks like there's a lot of pretty colors, a lot of like pinks and purples and glittery things. A bunch of Disney princesses right there. And then also, so this is like, oh, the Disney Designer Collection. Wow. I think this is Rapunzel here, right? But then this is like also Rapunzel. This I think is like a highlighter. This is kind of different than a lot of highlighters that I usually use, so I'm excited to try it. And then a blush right here. And I think it looks like a really pretty blush. It's like a pinky color. And I love Colourpop's like pencil liners because I love that they come in like so many different colors. So they also sent me the shade Boots, which just looks really cool. I have a pink liner by them that I use a lot, but this one I guess is kind of more of like a magenta-y shade kind of. All right guys, and you know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start trying this makeup on. I was thinking about this forever. It's like, this was so nice. Like I should do a video, but also at the same time, I'm like, I don't even know where to start because I'm not gonna be able to use all these palettes in this one video. There'll be other videos where I can wear them and stuff, so that's good. Today, I think the palette that I'm gonna try is the Midnight Masquerade, but okay, I think I'm gonna start, oh, I have to prime my eyes. What am I thinking? So real quick, I'm just using my Urban Decay primer potion. I'm using my Amazing Pig Mirror, which I think is like literally the cutest thing in the world. Oh my gosh, guys, and I'm so sorry. I feel like such an idiot here, but I forgot that also at the Disney collection that there was another lipstick they sent to me too. And it's a liquid lipstick. It's called Prince Charming. I love this packaging so much with the princesses. I think the art is so pretty. I think it's Cinderella, but like a modern version. Maybe just to start kind of like in my crease area, like as kind of like a transition-y shade, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna try to shade Enchanted, I think. Because I don't know, I kind of feel like if I start lighter, then I can always like go darker, you know? Because I don't know, guys, it's like my first time, so I want to hopefully try to like use a good amount of colors. Yeah, and I think that's really pretty. It's kind of like a tanny orange, I guess. So I think the next, I'm gonna take some of the shade New Dream, which looks like kind of a pretty purple shade. And I'm just gonna put that also in like my inner crease area. And that's pretty, I like that. Then after that, I kind of want to trade the shade Gaston, or Gaston, I think it's Gaston, yeah. That looks really pretty. It's kind of like a deep, kind of like cranberry red shade is what it looks like. The pigment looks really good too, like when I put it on the brush, so I'm like, gonna try that, kind of like in the outer corner, next to where I put New Dream, right in there. Yeah, I feel like these shades look really good together too. I'm just gonna kind of like extend that out. Wow, my palette's right here and I'm like, where is it? So this shade looks really pretty. It looks kind of like, I don't know if it's a duochrome shade, but it kind of looks like it looking at it. And it's called Mama Odie. Is that bad, guys? I actually don't think I know what Disney movie Mama Odie is from. Like, there was one shade in the Frozen palette, I think in the Elsa palette. It kind of reminds me of that. I don't know if it's gonna be like that, but that just kind of makes me want to like see how it looks and try it, because that's like one of my favorite shades in that Frozen palette. So anyways, I'm just gonna kind of put that a bit more kind of like in my inner crease area where I put, yeah, it is kind of like that. Yeah, it's that same effect. I love these kind of shadows that kind of are like sparkly looking, and this one I guess is a bit more like yellow than the one in the Frozen palette. I really like this. It's kind of like golden yellow, you know, like princessy, I don't know. So now I'm just real quick gonna go ahead and cut my crease area. Guys, it's actually been really nice. A lot of you guys like haven't really been saying I've been doing it wrong, so I'm kind of like, maybe I actually do know how to cut the crease. Not like perfectly or anything, but maybe I'm not doing it wrong, or like as wrong as I thought I was. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the lid shadows. I think I'm gonna begin maybe with Frog and White, but I don't think I'm gonna go all over my lid. I think I'm gonna kind of keep it in like the center section, because I want to try hopefully a couple more shades too. So on the brush it's looking really pretty, so I'm excited. So I love that shade. That's so pretty. Then I think I'm gonna take some of Merryweather, like the dark blue, and I'm gonna kind of put that on like the outer corner of my lid, like right about there, and just kind of blend that to the green. And the blue is really pretty too, and I feel like it's blending really nice with this. And then I think in the inner corner of like my lid too, I'm gonna use a little bit of Mrs. Potts, like this gold shade. This gold is really nice. I really like that. Yeah, it's a really good gold. It's very pigmented. I don't know if this is gonna work for sure, but I think I'm gonna take some of the shade Quasimodo, like this brown shade, and I'm gonna put that below my eye. There, I actually feel like that does work really good. I actually feel like it did blend really good with the red, in my opinion. And then I think I'm gonna try some of Dali, which looks really pretty, and I think I'm gonna kind of put that also like under my eye, but more in like the inner part. Wow. And that's kind of like a copper color. I think that's really pretty. So I don't know, I'm actually really happy with like how this is turning out. I think on the bottom of my lid though, I am just gonna kind of, not lid, I'm so sorry, underneath my eye, I am just gonna kind of blend in a bit more of like that darker color. So I actually didn't know about this till pretty recently, but apparently with some of the glitter shades, they're not like intended for eye use, I guess. As long as I'm careful, I think it should be okay. I just kind of found out about that. I love glitter, like I just can't help it. I just love glitter. So I think just a bit, I'm gonna put in a little bit of glitter. Maybe I'll use a little bit more of, what is it called? Royal Ball. Yeah, Royal Ball. And then the other one was Floating Lanterns. The glitters are like my favorite. I think the glitters are so pretty. I guess like just with those, I don't know if they even really intend for you to put it on your eye or if like it's for your skin. I don't really know. I'm keeping it, trying to keep it just on my lids. So I think it should be okay, but I'm just telling you guys just like in case. I had to do the glitter though, guys, because like I just love glitter. I can't help it. But I think I'm also going to be trying the new pencil liner, the Boots liner, just kind of like right on my, I keep forgetting like obvious terms for my eye, guys. My waterline. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put that right in there. So I love the Colourpop pencil liners because I don't know, I love colorful eyeliners, so to me they're like perfect because it's like they come in so many colors. And this one I love because like I love pink. I love that this is kind of like a magenta-y pink shade. I think it's super pretty. So I think next I'm just gonna real quick do the other eye and do my liner just kind of off a camera. And there's actually a couple of steps that I kind of forgot, I'm really sorry guys, that I did on that eye that I was like, oh yeah, why didn't I do that on the other eye? So before I do that, real quick, I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Damsel, kind of like this light pink, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that above here. I'm gonna blend a little bit of Pip, kind of like that tan shade, just kind of like underneath the brown. And then last, I'm just gonna take a little bit of Spinning Wheel. I'm gonna put that kind of in my inner corner area and right under my brow bone. Anyways, I'm gonna do eyeliner now and then I'll come right back. All right, so my liner and mascara is done. So I'm just kind of, I went back into the shade, what is it called again? The shade Spinning Wheel. And I'm just kind of using that with like this little like Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. And I'm just kind of like cleaning up under my liner a bit. I Alright guys, and that is how all the eyeshadows look and everything with the eyeliner, and I put mascara on too. I wish I could do lashes, and I totally would, but sadly I don't have lash glue, so I can't at the moment, but another time I will definitely have to buy lash glue and like use those lashes. I'm about to try something kind of risky where like, hopefully this isn't gonna mess this all up. But I'm gonna try one of those like holiday liners, and I think I'm just gonna try to do something kind of cool like in the crease area with it, and I've never really tried anything like this, so if it doesn't work, it's not the eyeliner's fault. That's on me. They look really pretty, but I haven't tried them yet. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see how it goes. This is probably not the best idea where I literally have to leave in like 15 minutes and I still have more stuff I want to try, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. It actually didn't go like as bad as I thought it might have gone. It's really pretty, like it's a very nice like shimmery kind of gold, and I probably maybe should have let a little bit higher in my crease just so like you could see more, but it's really nice. Like I really like it though. I feel like I have to like learn how to use this a little better probably still, but it like makes me want to learn how. So I'm really excited to use this blush. This looks like a really pretty pink blush. I don't have that many blushes, so I definitely don't have one I think that's like a color like this. I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on, and it has a cute little mini mirror. On me, it might look a little darker than it would look on like a lot of other people, just because like I said, I'm like a vampire, I'm very pale, or like a ghost or something. But I don't know, I really like it though. I think it's a really cute pink shade. And now I'm gonna use this highlighter here. So this is in the shade Coronation. And I think that's a really pretty highlight. I feel like with this blush, it kind of actually blended really well with it. And then the last thing I'm doing is just gonna put on a little bit of lip gloss, well lipstick, sorry, it's like a liquid lipstick. So this is also part of Disney Designer Collection, and this is a Luxe Liquid Lip. It's in the shade Prince Charming, which again, it looks like a really pretty kind of like nude pink shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Oh wow, it's actually a little bit like, not as nude as I thought. It's really pretty. And oh my gosh, I'm just realizing, okay, the packaging to this is so beautiful too. Like with that top there, it's like super sparkly. I love that. I feel like this went like really good with this makeup, and it's not really as nude as I thought. It's kind of more like, I mean, I would say it's still nude, but it's kind of like a pink nude, I guess. Alright guys, and those are all the products I'm going to be trying for today. Thank you again so much to Colourpop for being nice enough to send me all these makeup products. Like I was not expecting to get this much makeup in the mail, so that was super nice and I really appreciate that so much. I love all the like Disney theme with this and all of that, and I'm really excited to try out all the other makeup that I didn't get to try today too. If you guys liked this video, then let me know. Maybe I can do like a holiday one with like their new holiday collection, because I think that's the newest one. I'm really excited for all the rainbow colors too. That's so cool because I love colorful makeup. And yeah, all right, well, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys liked how my makeup turned out, and thank you again to Colourpop. And okay, well, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to know when I upload, if you haven't, like, you can subscribe if you want. You don't have to, of course, but if you want to. And there should also be a bell icon if you want to click that so you're notified when I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. All right, love you guys. Bye.